What up, what up, what up? Welcome back to another video. Oh damn, that's just sick.
Looks like your old one.
It does. So today what we're doing, we're gonna be picking up some wheels for the little Lotus. I know this guy that has this shop and he's gonna hook me up with some wheels, so made a 30-minute drive real quick and let's check him out. He has a pretty cool shop though. Man, this thing is cool. Why'd I get rid of the 1J1 I had?
Yep. Yeah, your 1J, that one was clean, no? Or how was that thing?
It was, body was really straight, just needed a little bit of paint, but
yeah.
It was an actual 97.
Yeah, this is a 97.
But mine's had the USDM front bumper, but they both look nice. I like both.
Yeah, I like both. Actually, I have the other one just to have the USDM.
Yeah.
It's aggressive, more aggressive.
Super cool.
The only thing with these, the rears are weak. Oh.
There's a cage and bright seats. T37s. I feel like every time I get a car and look at this thing. Insane. I was just talking to the owner, pretty cool guy. I ordered the suspension through him, so it should be here, he said, like in a week. I was gonna wait for Black Friday, but he said they usually give you like 10% off, which is $100, but he's giving me a little better deal, so there's not much room to for him to give me a good deal, but it's fair. But he has this car, he has a 240 over there, Liberty Walk Boss Kit over there, Liberty Walk Boss Kit over here, another, like, yeah, he has a lot of cars. It's super cool though. Should I buy this kit for my NSX?
This thing is pretty nice.
This thing looks like it. This thing looks exotic.
Yeah, it looks like Champ's. What was it?
Veilside kit. Hell yeah! Look at these big ass rotors and calipers. Wow. GMR wheels. Carbon wheel, center, cluster, bezel, door. Yeah. I wanted to put this on mine. Look at the engine bay. Hell yeah. This is gold right here. I like the rear. Looks like a Ferrari from the back, huh? Yeah. Looks cool though. I would want to go crazy with a car like this, like wide body and this and that, but at the same time I like the simplicity of things like that too. Like the Koki right there, the black one, it's so simple but so aggressive, so mean.
You can't beat stock body.
Yeah, but like, do you see stuff like this and you're like, yeah,
it's nice, but stock body
it's cool.
It's so good.
Wow. Let me see if I could show you guys the Boss Kit Liberty Walk one. I'm gonna see if I could take off the cover. Yeah, pretty badass, really badass. This is goals. I'll show you guys the wheels right now. Working it, I don't know if I can zoom in on the GoPro. I think you can, but I don't want to. But they're covered right there, the Boss one, and then the RX-7 FD. This is goals. Makes me regret selling mine, I'm telling you. But let me show you guys the wheels I got. I got some Regal Masters style wheels, which is this. Double staggered, 15/16 in the rear. It's like a spoon wheel or Regal Master wheel, whatever you want to call it. But I need to order the tires, which they're more expensive than what I thought. So it is what it is. I'm gonna have to just bite the bullet and order them. But
Need a little dog. I'll take that shit to Selena.
let's get back home and find these tires. We put the wheels inside real quick. Quick lunch break. Some good old B-dubs. Boombox is here for the lunch special. I think if you order what is medium wings or something like that, you get free fries. It's not a bad deal. Back home, let me go ahead and show you guys the wheels. These are it. This is like I was saying, like a Regal Master style or spoon style wheel, which is pretty good. I like it. It's not bad. I went with a 15 in front, 60 in the rear. Probably go with a little meaty tire, but it should look good. And I ordered the suspension through the same guy, so I gotta wait on that and just get the tires. But parts are starting to come in for this thing. I ordered little like side splitters for it. I'm waiting on the front lip as well. So the front lip supposedly is custom made, so it's gonna take like 3 to 4 weeks. We'll see. I ordered it 2 weeks ago, so hopefully it gets here in 2 weeks. But yeah, we are moving along with this little project. I think it'll look good. Pretty excited for when everything comes together. But this is where I'm gonna wrap up the video. Go ahead and comment, like, and subscribe. See you guys later.